Good day, I am Lloyd from BROKSTOCK.
We'd like to help simplify BROKSTOCK's withdrawal process for you. We know this can be a little tricky and want to ensure you get your funds as quickly as possible. Firstly, go to Profile at the bottom of the app screen. Midway through the screen, you'll see For You, Finance, and Info tabs. Navigate to Finance and select Withdrawal Details. Proceed with Bank Account button, then tap on Add Bank Account. If you use an iPhone, please select the Republic of South Africa as a country of beneficiary bank, otherwise go straight to the bank's name field. Be sure to enter your bank name, not your own name. Add your bank's branch code. You can find this on your bank statement. And then add your account number. Ensure it matches your statement as well. Please note that account number is different from your card number. Once all the fields are filled in, tap on Add Account Number. Done. You can't use your friend or family member's account. It has to match the personal details on your ID. Regulations do not allow investors to receive their funds in other people's accounts. To ensure a smoother experience, please make one large withdrawal and not multiple small requests.